Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech, and boy, have I got some interesting news for you. YouTube is giving their premium members first dibs on their new generative AI features. The video streaming juggernaut has released two new AI features. One is a conversational AI that will answer questions about YouTube's content and make recommendations, and the other summarizes comments and allows you to sort them by topics. You're probably asking, how can I be an early adopter of these new features? Well, first, you'll have to be a YouTube Premium member. And if you already are, you'll have to navigate to youtube.com/new and opt in. Currently, as of this recording, the only feature available for testing is the one that sorts comments by topics. The conversational AI feature won't be available until a few more weeks. To opt into the available new feature, on the youtube.com/new page, click the Try It Out button. A notification will pop up from the bottom advising you of the new feature that you're trying out, and the Try It Out button will turn into the Turn It Off button for when you're done being YouTube's guinea pig. To test out the feature, launch the YouTube app on an iOS or an Android device, find a video that the Topics feature is enabled on, open up the comment section, and tap Topics. Now, if you tap a specific topic like love for Google, you'll see all the comments where people are showing their love and support towards Google. And there you have it. You now know how to opt in and use one of YouTube's brand new AI features. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click my notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.